Before I start, I want to thank a very special weather lady for giving us such a beautiful sunny day. Kellie's grandmother, Nini, was the weather girl for the Tansy Clan. She used to always give us weather reports and updates. Nini's looking down on us right now and telling Kellie and Rick, you are going to have a beautiful day. I'll make sure of it because I love you both.
First, I want to say I love you. I knew that from the very beginning that you were the person that was meant for me. You are my guy, my Ricky. When we first started dating, it was very easy to fall for you. You are the sweetest, most patient man, and you cook and clean.
As a third-party spectator to their developing love story, it was extremely clear that the two of them represent a perfect pairing because each of them complements the other so well. They balance one another, and while each of them are tremendous individuals on their own, together they are even better. And being better together as a team, a unit, and partners in crime is what brings us here today, to witness their commitment to one another in front of those they love.
Even at a young age, Kellie had a loving and sweet personality. Kellie walks into a room and the room lights up. Like all of us, you can't be great at everything. Kellie tried athletics, and she'll admit sports wasn't her strength. I will never forget when she scored her one and only goal in soccer. I was so excited I cried, and I never cry, and ran onto the field and gave her a big hug. I was so proud of her because whether she scored a goal or not, she was always smiling.
Pretty quickly, though, I learned what was important to you, and that was family. Your two sons, your mom, your sister, and your brothers. I saw how much you love your family and how important they are to you. We share that love for our family.
Family means everything to Kellie, and she could have met a better man than Rick. He's all the things you want in a man. He completes Kellie in every way. He loves my daughter and treats her like a queen. Family comes first. Love and support them. Nothing is more important in life.
So Rick and Kellie, here's to a lifetime filled with boundless love, unwavering trust, wholehearted dedication, steadfast loyalty, and a shared commitment to forever bring smiles to each other's faces amidst life's countless adventures. And most importantly, congratulations.